We'll guide you through how to use Calendly for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Calendly website on your desktop. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up and you can create one using your email address, Google, or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard here. You can start by setting up your availability. Click on availability at the top menu. You'll see a calendar where you can set your working hours. Click on any day to customize your available time slots. Once that's set, head back to the dashboard. Now, you can create an event type, click on new event type, and choose between a one-on-one or group event. You'll then be prompted to fill in the details of the event, like the name of the event, location, and description. Don't forget to set the duration for the meeting. After that, click on next here. You can adjust the event settings such as buffer times between meetings and maximum number of events per day. Once you're satisfied, click on save and close. Your event is now ready to be shared. You can copy the link to the event and send it to whomever needs to book a time with you. Remember, even with the free version, Calendly offers up to 3 different event types, so you can have a few options ready. If you want to manage notifications or reminders, go to event type and click on the specific event. Under notifications and cancellation policy, you can set up email reminders and cancellation terms. This ensures everyone is on the same page. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.